Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing the face mask with turmeric. Okay, yeah, so I bought this turmeric from Pick and Pay. You all asked for a skincare routine from more. Okay, so today I'm going to be giving you a piece of what I use for my face. So turmeric has a lot of benefits, guys. The benefits thing, especially on your skin. Oh yeah, you now I just put turmeric everywhere for the inside, guys. Another thing that I want to let you know of is drink a lot of water. Help your skin from the inside and also help your skin from the so guys, what I'm going to be using is my turmeric, and guys, I ran out of coconut oil, so instead of coconut oil I'm going to use my grapeseed oil. It's also from Native Chai. So Leona, it has a lot of benefits. It's 100% turmeric. You can use it for your body and for your hair, and it's also helpful with eczema, age spot, and dehydrated skin. So for me, my problem the spots. I think you guys can see here on my forehead that I have some pimples that are left with dark spots. So the first thing that I'm gonna be doing is putting my turmeric, obviously. Yeah. So guys, what else I wanted to say, you know, I'm not that type of a person who will be storytelling, saying things. Nope, I'm just bad with that. It's not in me, it's not with me. Okay, so I'm going to be doing this turmeric with my lovely housemate. We take care of our skin in this house. Okay, yeah. So guys, please tell me what another skincare routine you want me to do for you, or any remedies that you want to see me doing. Okay, just comment down below. And another thing, guys, that I wanted to tell you is that, like, for my skin I use sunlight. You know, I kind of feel like it does not have some odor, and it also does not have some things that are added. I kind of feel like it's safe to use for your body, but like there are people who are professionals in the skincare industry, so when they have their products for the skin, it works. And guys, what works for me wouldn't work for you. And I want to put a disclaimer: I'm not a skincare professional or something. I'm just doing this just because turmeric has its own benefits, right, guys? So I have this Ishimara. I feel like I should not put this one. It's castor oil. Castor oil, it's also very good for skin. So I was thinking of blending a grapeseed oil, castor oil. Even if you have avocado oil, you can put it here for the turmeric. Or if you have olive oil, oh, I love olive oil for my hair and skin. Like, I love it for everything. So you can also put it here and mix it with your turmeric. And what I love more with my turmeric, it's yogurt, plain yogurt. You can eat it, you can apply it on your skin. It's just good for everything. Yeah. And what else I liked with so the mixture kind of looks like this. I'm not sure, guys, if it wants a hand. So it's a bit man, and I'm making this thing for two, so guys, use turmeric for skin. Now I love turmeric and I believe in turmeric. So if you feel like you need some glow, turmeric is there for you. Another thing that has helped me with what is this, what you might call your dark spots, it's rice water. It's rice water, guys. Like, I don't have eggs or rice right now. I was gonna do that method of mixing using your rice and your egg, that mask together. I was gonna use that method. Yeah, so guys, you won't see me applying this thing. I'm just gonna come back while it's already applied, because I told you my story for what's happening. I hope we understand each other on that part. Okay, so I'm gonna pause and come back with the mug. Guys, I'm back. Okay, now we apply, guys. Apply on the skin. Apply. I'm gonna try this with a yogurt, a plain yogurt. I just want to see the consistency of it. I want to apply more under my eyes because I am black there. I have hyperpigmentation. If you don't know what is hyperpigmentation, I'll just explain that on my description box. But like my under eyes, they need some lightening. Guys, another thing that I want to try is putting this thing on my neck, because my neck is more darker. You know that thing of having a darker neck, so I want to try that too. Woo, look who's the yellow bone. I am a yellow bone, guys. Let's try this thing here. You know your neck sometimes it will be like dark. Mine, guys, is dark. It's as if I mara, I don't know why my neck is just dark. If you also have that thing, guys, comment down below and tell me if you also face it. I'm sure I'm the only person who has done this. I don't know, I'm just experimenting. If it works for me, I will keep on doing it. I don't know why, but it kind of feels good when I'm just rubbing it on my face, treating it more like a scrub. Yo guys, how about I try into a scrub with the turmeric, like sugar, turmeric, and some oil? What do you all think? Guys, I love turmeric. So now the time, I don't know if you all can see. Yeah, now you can see it's 9:36. So by 9:46 we should be done. We're gonna stay for 10 minutes with this one. So Sissy is gonna be back. So guys, I'm done. This is my skin after I'm done. So now since I'm done, what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna tone my skin. After toning my skin, I'm just gonna apply my grapeseed oil, but I'm still left with some small coconut oil, so I'd rather use coconut oil to moisturize my skin. Yes, it kind of feels soft, but like I want to keep my skin moisturized so I won't have any breakage. I love final products. My skin really feels soft. I'm gonna use my pad to tone my skin. Yeah, guys, I still have some pimples here on my forehead, so let us hope this helps. I don't know, I'm just gonna try this every week. So it's appropriate to tone. It's more advisable to tone your skin after this, especially if you don't have any face wash, because this thing, it leaves some color on your skin, you know. That's how turmeric is like. If it can stain my face cloth, it can also stain your face. My skin here, it kind of feels sensitive. Yeah, on the neck, it kind of feels sensitive. After this, I'm gonna moisturize my skin with some coconut oil. That's too much oil. So guys, ngizoba shiny, but as well as good is that I'm going to be shiny while I'm sleeping. Okay, I won't be shiny while I'm going out. I'm just shiny here in the room. So yeah. So guys, I am done. Don't forget to like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, you're welcome to give it a thumbs down, okay? So don't forget to subscribe, and if you are a returning subscriber, thank you for subscribing to my channel.